Hello, hi. Could you tell us about your poster today?
Yeah, hi. This paper is titled Reusable DCT Architecture for Parallel Processing of YUV Transforms in HEVC. So HEVC is the latest video coding standard which comes after its predecessor H.264. So one of the important promises of HEVC is that it promises 50% more compression ratio compared to its predecessor. So one of the prime reasons for this is it supports a large transform size. So, but the problem with this is when we are implementing the same thing in hardware, the hardware cost increases a lot. So, this is the reason is because the transpose memory, which is required in hardware, increases as a square of the size it supports. So, if the transform size doubles, the hardware cost increases 4 times. So, this is the transpose memory. So, you see, what we are proposing in this paper is when we are operating a smaller cell transform, we can use the rest of the area for other transforms as well. So when this is a 32 cross 32 transform size, when we are operating a smaller transform, most of it remains unused. So what we are proposing is parallelly we are implementing other transform in the same memory. So the improvement with this is the timing is reduced a lot. So and the offside of this is it increases the hardware cost a little bit. So in this architecture we can see the gray blocks are the additional hardware required for this architecture, and the additional hardware cost is only less than 4% of the total area, but the timing improvement is a lot. I will talk about the timing now. So this is the timing diagram for the proposed architecture, and the top pipeline is for the conventional architecture, whereas the bottom one is for the our architecture. So we see the timing improvement is almost 50%, and when you look at it from for a large CU, the timing improvement is 44% roughly, and the area increase is only 4%. So this is the brief of the paper.
Okay, thank you very much. So, what's the main novelty of your paper compared to the other method?
So the main novelty I would say is we are increasing the hardware cost very minutely, just 4%, while improving the timing a lot, almost 45%.
Okay, thank you very much.